Hello, Minsu.
Hi, Manel. How are you?
Thank you. And I'm very happy to be with you because we are announcing, we have already, but we're doing it on video now. When we put this view that we can see each other in the recording, that we are doing a series of 3 weekends workshops in Miami, in your oasis, in Minsu Healing Oasis.
That's
That
right.
is there what you have painted in the back of your thing, isn't it? Well, and like we did in the spring, we did the 5th dimension, personal power and 5th dimension, and from that workshop that was very successful and we enjoyed very much doing. It came these 3 very important, and how more we work with them and more we focus on them, more important they really feel in the lives of everyone. So we're going to do 3 different workshops based on the energy of this 5th dimension that is bringing higher vibration energies into our presence, into our body, into our life. And these 3 themes that are very important. One is the first one, it's going to be money next weekend, the 22nd and 23rd of July. Then the second one is going to be love at the end of August, and then towards the end of August. And then the other one is going to be health. Yes. Thank you.
September.
Yeah, health, such an important thing as well, because all the 3 things are very important, but without one of them, it really life feels that we are missing something. And even money, we may think, okay, no, money is not that important. I mean, I'm grateful that I have enough to pay my bills, and I like to work hard and be honest, but money is secondary. But yeah, how more we deepen into it, it makes more sense, because it's not just money, it's the energy of self-worth and connection. What we're finding is that it have a strong connection with how we feel with the divine as well. So very exciting.
Definitely we are going to touch on those major points in this lifetime, and we're going to start with money, because in this universe, in this life that we live right now, money is an exchange. We need money to survive, because that's how we are functioning currently in our society. And definitely when there is a lack of money, there is also a struggle for survival. So one of the things that we had found is that a lot of that kind of hardship and stuff like that comes from our ancestors. So in the workshop, we're going to dive into going deep to see where this belief system or where this lack of money is coming from, and we're going to bring it to the 5th dimension so that we create flow and ease of money into our lives. So I'm really looking forward to our first weekend together next week on the 22nd and the 23rd, where we are going to wholeheartedly dive into the topic of money. So it's going to be a very transformative weekend, and really helping to see the reaction and the transformation that takes place there for all the participants. So happy to have you back from Colorado here in Miami, Manel.
It's my absolute pleasure to come to work with you. It's fantastic. I think that we have a good chemistry in the workplace, and it's great that we can bring that to help others. And talking about money, we cannot promise anything, but I will be very curious after the workshop how money, or our relationship with money, talking about the participants in the workshop, have changed, have moved, and because it's not just also people that have lack of money, also many times people with a lot of money or having that money, or the consciousness of being in that money can be like a prison as well. Can be, are you really free? Because how could your life be having money, having freedom, having everything else at the same time? So it's going to be great, beautiful. We're going to work in different ways, very exciting. And what about the price?
Okay, so we have a whole price if you want to join the workshop series, and the whole price for all 3 consecutive weekends is $960. If you want to just do one, start with one, you could just do the money workshop, and that's $450 just for that workshop for the whole weekend. So you could choose to do one weekend at a time, or you could choose to join us July, August, and September. So definitely looking forward to that, and seeing, like Manel said, the transformation that's going to take place with everybody. So hope to see you there next weekend, July 22nd and the 23rd.
So just to be clear, you can, so anyone can do one, like to say something, oh no, I'm very good with love and with health. So, but money is a thing that I would like to explore and to work with. I can just do one, or the other way around. I feel good with abundance with money and all that, but I really am missing love in my life, or partner, and then I can go just to do love. I mean,
to the love one. Yeah, you could choose any of the workshops, or you could choose to do all 3 series together. So which one you choose is up to you. It's not a problem. You know, just be willing to come with an open mind and curious heart, and see what transformation takes place from these workshops.
Absolutely. That is going to be a blast, and we're going to have deep exploration and fun at the same time.
That's right.
So, tears and laugh.
Awesome. Okay, so I will see you next week, Manel, and I will see you guys there with us. Have a great rest of the week. Until next week. Bye-bye.
See you, and come. We'll have fun. Bye.
Yeah.